Hello everybody, I'm here in my hometown of Ahmednagar, one of the craziest places on the planet, and I love it. I'm here because I've been working on something for the last 2 years. Follow me, let me show you what I've been working on. Let's go!
The #1 Indian cookbook in the world. Pre-order now.